This is Linda May from Coldwell Banker Previews International. For the last 30 years, I've had the pleasure of representing buyers and sellers in the luxury real estate market. My business has been built on a history of successful outcomes for my clients, developing long-term relationships and a high-level referral network. At Linda May Properties, we often represent sellers whose homes are architecturally or historically significant. These homes require experienced professionals to market them effectively. Through research and careful evaluation, we create a comprehensive marketing plan for each home that includes traditional print, networking, and internet strategies with local, national, and international reach. Being a skilled negotiator and knowing how to structure a deal continue to be the cornerstone of my success. If you're interested in speaking to me personally or would like to discuss listing your home, please feel free to contact me or simply reply to this message.